A very good evening to everyone. This is Imanshu, and today was Finnifty expiry. Today I'm going to explain you like what happened throughout the day. So the main thing is that markets are like nowadays what it's doing is it's like staying in a range for the first half, and breaking that range and then going in one direction in the second half. Okay, this has been the behavior for past few days. So what like I'll just continue explaining like with the charts with this one first. Like let's take a midpoint somewhere. Okay, I think this would be the midpoint. So first let's select the open of Finnifty. It opened gap down by only 0.09%, and then it went down by 0.4% in almost the first candle itself. Okay, and then full day this range was not broken. You can see till here this range was not broken. All right, so and today as there was expiry of Finnifty, um, what happened is this range I have marked in my not like my code actually, it actually calculates the day high and day low, and if the time is more than 1430 hours, once the range is broken and sustained above like in 5 minutes closing, it will close it will book all the profits from theta strategies, not delta strategies. All right, so what happened with this candle close, all my theta strategies got closed in profit. If I had let my theta strategies run till here, I would have ended up in huge loss. All right, so what happened is okay, so this was all about my theta strategies. Now what happened with delta strategies, it's like I kept on entering in this time frame. All right, the last delta strategy is taken somewhere here, and the thing is that none of the stop losses were taken out till this point or even till this point. Okay, and at this moment and this very moment, all the puts of theta strategies, either in this candle or I think in this candle or maybe this candle also, like some got hit in here, some puts like these higher entries puts got hit with this down move. Then the markets cooled off a bit, none of the calls were hit till then, and the other lot got hit in this down move when it broke the day's low and it closed here. What happened after this is all my calls, okay, all my calls of Finnifty, that actually went to zero. Okay, which were like starting from here till here. So all my calls went to zero. Now only because of that I'll be showing you the M2M chart, but before that my today's PNL is close to 25,000 rupees, that is 1.25% on my deployed capital or total capital. So let's go ahead and look at how my M2M behaved. All right, so let me switch to pencil, and okay, so this is the region where the midday collapse was there. All right, so that is here. So this collapse is here. Okay, so it reached a PNL of close to I think minus 6k or something. Okay, and then it immediately recovered because the markets also recovered. Okay, but as I said that the markets were it was sideways, but it was like very slightly bearish on sideways. So all my calls were remaining here, and I will also show you the decay chart. Mark this time at 13:30 or around 13:30. Okay, so after this my puts, all the puts started to take the stop loss in this move here. Majority, like not majority, all of my puts got exited in this down move. So what happened after this is whatever the remaining margin was there in calls, it got booked completely, and I could not have closed like any higher than this. All right. So, but actually I trade Nifty as well as Bank Nifty on every day, as I have told before. So the thing is, there was a small slippage here. Okay, while closing, there was like around 2 to 3 thousand rupees slippage. I think, yeah, let me show you the decay chart. Okay. So, okay. So this was Nifty, just to show you how Nifty behaved. Even Nifty behaved the same way. All right. Bank Nifty was a little bit more behaved than Fin Nifty and Nifty, but again, Fin Nifty, it broke the day's low and closed at day's low, and VIX actually stayed sideways. So the main concern is Fin Nifty decay chart. Okay, so this is the Fin Nifty decay chart, and as I said that after 1330 at this moment, see the massive decay that came. Okay, and along with this, my PNL also increased, and it went to close at 0. So all the calls that I had shot at the full market time, or the full time, it got closed at 0. Okay, so my minimum PNL for the day was only 3,204 rupees that came here. Okay, so Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, it closed like at what percentage? This was yesterday's close, I think. So yeah, this was yesterday's close, and it closed at, it went 0.9% or 173 points, close to 170 points intraday move. All right, but it closed at somewhere around 140 points. And the funny thing is that despite of this, I mean, this such a huge move nowadays, and the straddle opened at close to 85 rupees, and then it it just kept on falling. But the market was like sideways still here, and then it took a one-sided move, and I think because it was a expiry, the premiums had to go to 0, so it had no other option. Like it tried to spike a few times, where in my PNL graph also you can see the effects of the spikes. So these were the spikes. Okay, so these were the spikes, but eventually it had to go to 0, so I closed at 0. So yesterday, let me open the chart again. All right. So I told all of you, right, that I wanted to, when the PNL reached here, back of my mind, I always had a fear that my PNL will go to 0, or it will close in negative or something. Okay. But eventually it covered yesterday till 7,000 rupees. But and today what happened after 14,000 rupees is that, let me show you. All right, so today 14,000 figure came here. Okay, so when the PNL started to fall, and it reached the mark of almost close to 10,000. Okay, I was again fearful that the PNL will again go back to 0 or something, and then again it will close at 7k or something like that. So if I would have trailed this profit from minus plus 14k by suppose 4k, okay, what would have happened? I would have taken a stop loss here, and this 10k minus 25k, so this whole 15k would not have been mine. But as I said, that I have trailing in my system, but only after my profit reaches a certain percentage of like 1.5% or something. And I have a booking, like if this PNL for like on some day, by luck or by anything, if it reaches plus 3% or 2.5%, I will just close off all the positions and take home this massive profit for any given day. So I think I'll leave you with this, and see you all tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, so yeah. So see you all tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye bye.